Machine Sentry Next Generation.
The routes feature in Machine Sentry enables users to create specific routes for data collection across their site. The reasons for this may vary, from simply having a specific route that is walked through an area, or for the purposes of fault finding, the level of customization can cater to all needs. Firstly, we go to the site and ensure the site level is selected. The routes feature is not accessible at any other level in the hierarchy. Once we select the routes button, you are able to either add a new route or edit or delete an existing route using the buttons in the top left of the window. If you use the search bar below, you can also search for an existing route. First, we will add a new route, so start by clicking the Add button. You will first be asked for a name and category for the route, so choose an appropriate name and then give it an equally appropriate category. The category field will create a new category from whatever you type if one does not already exist, to help you organize your routes as you create them. Once you click the Add button, the middle window will disappear and you will be prompted to drag and drop items from the tree to add them to the route. You can now take any level in the hierarchy and drag it over to the top of the window on the right. This will add every point below that level to the route individually. We would recommend doing this from asset level and below, as the higher up could end up adding hundreds of points at once and be much more difficult to manage. In this example, I will drag over an asset. You will see it lists the points individually, and from here you can reorder the points by dragging them above or below each other, or simply deleting them using the X button at the end of the line. Continue to add other assets or components as you require. Once you are happy with the route, you can then allocate that to an individual who has access to Machine Sentry. Finally, hit save in the top right hand corner of the window. The route will then be added to the mobile application upon synchronization.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.